Hey everyone! Are you dreaming of escaping to a place where the sun always shines, the beaches are golden, and the culture is captivating? Look no further than Marbella, Spain. From strolling through ancient cobblestone streets to soaking up the sun on pristine beaches, Marbella has something for everyone. Let's dive in! Let's begin our adventure in the heart of Marbella, its charming old town. Imagine yourself wandering through narrow, winding streets, lined with whitewashed buildings adorned with colorful flower boxes. As you explore its labyrinthine alleys, you'll stumble upon hidden squares, ancient churches, and charming plazas bustling with life. Be sure to stop by the Plaza de los Naranjos, a beautiful square shaded by fragrant orange trees, where you can enjoy a refreshing drink and soak up the ambiance. Next, we're heading to the dazzling Portobanús, a world-renowned marina that epitomizes luxury and glamour. Stroll along the promenade, lined with designer boutiques, upscale restaurants, and lively bars. Whether you're indulging in a gourmet meal or simply soaking up the vibrant atmosphere, Portobanús is an experience you won't soon forget. For breathtaking views and a chance to reconnect with nature, a hike up La Concha mountain is a must-do. As you ascend, the views become increasingly spectacular, revealing panoramic vistas of Marbella's coastline and the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life at Alameda Park, a green oasis in the heart of Marbella. Stroll along its shaded pathways, relax by the ornate fountains, and admire the vibrant flower beds bursting with color. No trip to Marbella is complete without experiencing its legendary beaches. Whether you're swimming in the crystal-clear waters or enjoying a refreshing drink at a chiringuito, Marbella's beaches are the perfect place to unwind. Take a leisurely stroll along Avenida del Mar, a picturesque promenade that connects Marbella's old town with its beautiful beaches. Admire the impressive collection of sculptures by Salvador Dali, their whimsical forms adding a touch of artistry to the seaside setting. Art enthusiasts won't want to miss the Raleigh Museum, home to an impressive collection of contemporary Latin American art. Explore the galleries and discover works that reflect the rich cultural heritage and artistic traditions of Latin America. Escape to a world of tranquility and beauty at the Bonsai Museum, a unique attraction dedicated to the art of bonsai. Marvel at the intricate details and ancient wisdom embodied in these miniature trees, carefully cultivated over generations. Experience the vibrant energy of Marbella Marina, a bustling harbor where the city meets the sea. Enjoy a delicious seafood lunch at one of the many restaurants lining the harbor, or simply relax with a drink and enjoy the views. Our journey through Marbella culminates in Plaza de los Naranjos, the heart and soul of the city's historic center. Relax at one of the cafes lining the square, savor a traditional Spanish meal, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Loving what you see? Click the link in the description to book your next vacation through Expedia and get amazing deals. Expedia offers some amazing deals on flights, hotels, and vacation packages that you won't want to miss. Check out the link in the description to book your next adventure with Expedia and experience the same great service.